I've gone from 0 to almost 25,000 followers on TikTok in a matter of a few months. And this is very, very important. So anybody who wants to be a creator, especially doctors, people in the health industry, service professionals, if you want to get a quick following, nothing beats the TikTok algorithm. I'll get into that and why I'm probably going to transition everything off of like Facebook and Instagram and pretty much everything else. Obviously, I'll keep my long form video content here on YouTube. Facebook and Instagram have become these kind of almost like dinosaurs. It's an older crowd. They only show your stuff to your actual followers, and even their reels now and their stories or whatever, they're still just showing your stuff to people who've already chosen to follow you, and they're not even showing it to that high of a percentage of your followers unless you're willing to pay. It's become a pay-to-play platform. Twitter is kind of similar. I've had Twitter probably since the beginning of time, since like 2008 maybe, or even earlier. They only show your stuff mainly to your people. I have about 1,000 followers on there, and my stuff keeps getting shown to my people unless somebody finds something useful and reshares it. So there's not like a discovery element to it. The difference with TikTok is that there's a discovery element to it, and it doesn't even matter how many followers you have or if you have none. If you have a brand new account starting from 0, like what I did, and you have a video that's useful, they will put your video out to a lot of people quickly, and they will find your audience for you. Like, I believe the algorithm works sort of like this. You post a video, they show it to 10 random people until they figure out your niche, but they show it to about 10 random people. If those people actually watch it and the watch time is high, they'll put it out to 100 people. And if it's still good, then 1,000, then 10,000, and you kind of get the idea. They'll keep putting it out to more people if the watch time is good and more people like it. Once they kind of figure out your niche and what kind of people like your stuff, they start kind of putting it to them. The hashtags help with that. Hashtags let TikTok know which kind of people like or should be your audience. Like, for example, for me, I would put things like cardiology, doctors, medicine, healthy living, diet, exercise, nutrition, stuff like that. That definitely helps the algorithm figure out, okay, I should send this video to people who probably fall into the health and wellness or medical category, or people who are more likely to watch those videos with a long watch time. Now, YouTube is also trying to copy TikTok a little bit with their shorts, but still the discovery is not that much. Same with Instagram Reels. They've tried to copy TikTok by showing these short videos in like the long form portrait, shape instead of like this landscape like you're looking at here on YouTube. They put it the other way. Still, the YouTube algorithm is not finding you new people. Obviously, YouTube and Facebook are saying they're going to put a lot more money into this and change their algorithms and all that, and that remains to be seen. But as of the date of this publishing, I've not found that to be true. I've done the same thing what I did with TikTok is take an account from 0, pretty much 0, back in August. I had a couple videos on there from before because I downloaded the app a long time ago and I never did anything with it. But since about September until now, approximately 2.5, maybe 3.5 months at the most, I've been putting out a bunch of videos every day. I'm up to like over 400 now, and the amount of followers I have is like almost 25,000. I've gone from 0 to over 20,000 really, really quickly, and I like that about the algorithm because it finds you your people. It finds you your audience. It finds you people that you resonate with. So it doesn't matter if you have 0 followers or 1 million followers. It gives each one of your videos the same chance to do well, regardless of how many followers you actually have, which I really, really like about the TikTok algorithm. So I don't know. From now on, I'm going to be posting mostly on TikTok. You guys are welcome to follow me there. I'll put the link in the description. It's Dr. Muhammad Allo, you have to put at DrMohammedAllo at TikTok, or just search Dr. Muhammad Allo or Dr. Allo. I'm sure you'll find me pretty quickly. But the whole point is it's got a more of a community feel. Like if you post a comment or a question, which the engagement also on TikTok has a lot more engagement. Like, a handful of people here on Instagram or Facebook will post a comment. I literally have to respond to comments maybe once a week. because there's not that many. But on TikTok, it's like multiple comments every 5 minutes. Like, and the thing about that is if you could choose a comment and respond to it and do a video for that person, and other people will see it, obviously, and they can click on that comment and see what the comment was originally made for. Like, what video was it posted on? What was the actual question? What was it in relation to? So that is a fancy feature. I'm sure others probably going to copy it. But the thing I really like about TikTok is it's like a very communal community. Like the people that follow me and comment and ask and do that. And we do TikTok lives, kind of like YouTube lives that I've done before, kind of like other lives that I do. The live component of it, where you can answer questions live to people, is just fantastic. The engagement, the community feels fantastic. I think it beats out all other platforms in this regard as of now. I'm sure some of these other platforms are going to try to copy it or replicate it. They haven't been able to. Instagram and Facebook and some of these other platforms for a few years now have been trying to copy that little short form virality, but they really haven't been able to. Nothing has have I ever seen where somebody could blow up so quickly on a platform. So those are my thoughts. If you're in the help industry, service industry, accountants, coaches, salespeople, Airbnb, doctors, accountants, lawyers, whatever it is, if you are in a service type of industry and you want to find your audience and reach more people, then I believe you should get started on TikTok. You can get your audience on TikTok. You can nurture them. Find your audience on TikTok. And this is what I've heard a lot of marketers say. Find your audience on TikTok, but then nurture them over time on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, those kind of things. Nurture them and indoctrinate them on these other platforms, but find them quickly and rapidly, and a lot of them on TikTok, and try to get them over to your other platforms. And I feel like that strategy works. I have nothing to sell you. I'm not really trying to indoctrinate anybody with anything. I'm just trying to give people good information. But you will find the TikTok platform very useful. I've put a lot of studies on there, a lot of videos, a lot of topics on there. I think you guys will like some of that stuff and the interactiveness of it and like the immediate responses that you get from it. So I feel like if you guys go there and just try it out, give it a chance. You might feel like, well, it's just for kids, it's just dancing. It's not anymore. That's how it started many, many years ago. Now it's people like us, educated people who want to learn more about living healthy and whatnot. It's a fantastic platform. Highly recommend it. Share this with a friend if you feel like you got value from this.